It's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We're on board our 1999 340 Sea Ray Sundancer. It's running a pair of 7.4 multi-port injected MerCruiser engines on Bravo 3s. We're looking at the starboard engine, and alongside it is a 4.5 kilowatt Westerbeke generator. The generator has, here we're going to zoom in on it, 261 hours on it. Low load time on the generator. The engine room is super clean. It's got the monitor freshwater cooling kits. It's got also a freshwater washdown, through hull valves, so it's getting lots of coolant through them. The port engine was fully rebuilt in 2022 with all the bills for it. New batteries in 2022. It's got a they appear to be AGM type batteries or fully sealed batteries, and they are 31 group 31 batteries. A pair on the starboard side, a pair on the port side. Look at how clean this engine room compartment is. It doesn't get much better than this. Zoom out just a touch so you can see a bit better. My perspective, you got nice through hulls, you got water strainers there, and there's that generator again. Really, it's really important that you take a look at the videos that we offer, both our startup videos, our walkthrough videos, and our engine room compartment. You will not find a nicer 340 Sea Ray today than this one. Please give me a call, 604-708-1980. Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. Thanks again for watching.